Hi, I'm Sophie, the Care Information Developer at the M&D Association. It's been a while since we said hello, so we thought we'd give you a quick update on the work we've been doing during the COVID pandemic.
Hello, Kay here, Care Information Manager. We're still providing guidance about coronavirus and vaccinations on our website, along with our other care information about MND and Kennedy's disease.
The important thing is that I know the M&D Association are there. They have a lot of useful information on their website.
The M&D Association website has been so helpful to us during the pandemic, as the NHS hadn't had the capacity to support Mum with information about the disease.
I registered with the M&D Association and was pointed towards the services on offer: an online forum, benefits advice, grants, equipment loans, and information about coronavirus. The website has been very helpful.
We've been busy updating resources too, including lots of our information sheets. We're condensing some of them into smaller A5 guides. This way we can group similar content together, and it saves you having to order, download or print so many information sheets on one subject. 5 of our new guides are telling people about M&D, emotional and psychological support, changes to thinking and behaviour, sex and relationships, and personal care.
In a previous vlog, we introduced information sheet 10B, What is Social Care, about adult health and social care services. Since then, we've also created a short animation about social care as a simple overview and a guide about social care services and M&D to help inform professionals who provide social care support.
Margaret is part of our Care Information user review group, and here's what Care Information means to her.
My name's Margaret. I was a carer for my husband John, who was living with motor neuron disease. He was diagnosed in September 2016 and sadly died in February 2019. I feel it's very important to have usable, relatable, credible information for people who are living with motor neuron disease and their relatives and carers. And therefore, having people like myself who've lived through it is really important. It makes the information credible and useful. I think snippets of information given by people who've done the reviews gives real life scenarios to the information and makes it really useful.
We've also revised some of our larger guides. When Someone Close Has MND, a workbook for children aged 4 to 10, an easy read guide to motor neuron disease, Eating and Drinking with MND, and End of Life, a guide for people with motor neuron disease.
Some of our information sheets to support decision-making content are now also available to read on ebook platforms. This means you can read them more easily on phone screens and tablets and enlarge the text if needed. You can find these on our main information webpage at www.mndassociation.org/careinfo.
Last year, our information was accredited by the Patient Information Forum with the PIF tick. Keep an eye out for this quality mark on health and social care resources, as it means the content has been thoroughly researched and reviewed. This year, we also launched our Care Information Finder, where people can search for our MND or Kennedy's disease web information resources by need. All relevant links to care resources and publications are grouped in a mini information prescription without having to explore. Nothing is missed, and results can be shared by email.
If you'd like to, you can get involved and help shape and review our information. You could even be in one of our blogs. To find out more, contact infofeedback@mndassociation.org. Margaret's going to tell us a bit more about being part of our user review group.
For the last 18 months, I've been part of the user review group of the Motor Neuron Disease Association, reviewing resources such as leaflets and the new podcast. Anybody can be a reviewer. You just need to have a little time to be able to read through the information and to report back on it, which is really straightforward. There's no pressure to contribute at all if the information is sensitive. As I say, it's a really useful and helpful thing to do. Thank you.
Most of our information is available online, or you can order printed copies through our MND Connect helpline on 0808 802 6262 or email mndconnect@mndassociation.org. MND Connect can also help if you or someone close needs information in a different language. Thank you for watching.
And we'll be back soon with some more news. Bye!